4 beets, a half red onion, a 1/3 cup balsamic salad dressing, 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. If you'd like, you can also throw in an optional 1/2 cup of low-fat feta cheese and a 1/2 cup of roasted walnuts, chopped. Substitutions are welcome. Either a can of sliced beets or 4 whole beets would work perfectly. You can use either balsamic dressing or Italian. And don't have Italian seasoning? Try dried oregano instead. If you're using whole beets, wash, peel, and chop the beets. Mix with 1 tablespoon of oil. Roast at 450 degrees for 40 minutes. While the beets are roasting, peel and chop 1/2 a red onion. Mix the beets, red onion, and salad dressing together. If you're using roasted beets, place it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours to chill before you continue. Add seasonings and toppings. Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and if you'd like, feta cheese and roasted walnuts. Mix and serve.